Hey everybody, it's Charlotte with the Wooden Wick Co. Today on Maker's Moments, I'm going to be sharing the top fragrance trends for 2020 and 2021. Here are my top 4. First, getting back in touch with wilderness. All the trends are headed towards these earthy, green, mossy, wilderness type vibes. Get back in touch with nature. What fragrances go along with that? A few of my picks would be moss and wet fern, or green bamboo and wild violet. On the earthy, spicy side, try gingerwood and palo santo. Next, comfort and nostalgia. Bring back those feelings of being cozy at home with your favorite food or your favorite experience cozied up on the couch. My top 2 selections for this are woody leather and brandy and dark chocolate and honeycomb. Trust me, they smell incredible and will make you feel all those cozy vibes. Next is exotic escapes. We're all stuck inside. If you're feeling bored in the house, and you want to pretend you're at a beautiful beach, pull out your favorite candle or room spray with an exotic inspired fragrance. My top selections for this are lemon blossom and sea mist and eau de mer and amber. They will have you feeling like you're on a beautiful vacation. Last, but certainly not least, is the trend inspired by being carefree, androgynous, and all about hedonism. Fragrances that go perfectly with this trend are juicy, fruity, fun, and a little bit sexy. My go-to is yuzu blossoms and hinoki. If you want to try any of these fragrances that I mentioned, head to woodenwick.com and shop fragrance. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest makers tips and tricks. Happy making!